Let's learn some basic 8th note grooves. Before we go to our 8th note grooves, we will first learn the foundation, that is your quarter note groove. There's only one quarter note groove which we are going to do right now. It's your basic 4/4 beat on which you will be playing your bass on 1 and 3 and a slap on 2 and 4. This is how it goes like. The slap takes place like your snare drum on a drum set, and your bass takes part of the kick drum. It's not a complete replacement for a drum set or for a cajon or for any other percussion instrument in that case. But yes, you can play this for your jams and you can perform with your bandmates. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's head to our 8th note grooves. In your first 8th note groove, we are going to play the bass on 1, on 3, and on the and which comes after your 3. Like before, your slap is going to stay on 2 and 4. So, this is how it goes. So, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Even though I am not playing the ands, I am counting them in my mind so that I leave a proper space for every 8th note. You have to do the same. You have to play your kick on 1, bass on 1 and bass on 3 and of 3. But in your mind, you have to keep on counting the and of 1, and of 2, and of 3 and of 4. This gives your playing a proper rhythm and a proper flow. If you don't count it, you might as well miss it. So let's go. Again, counting your ands. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and.